And welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about real numbers and in that too, the concept of irrationality. So first of all, let's understand what are rational and irrational numbers. So if I talk about rational numbers, then you need to keep this in mind that those numbers which are in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers and they are co-prime numbers. What do you mean by co-prime? Which do not have anything common. The common factor in them is only 1. So let's say you have 4 by 6. In order to check whether they are rational numbers or not, you need to first simplify them. Initially you can see they have the factors as 2 2s are 4. Here 2 3s are 6, right? So they have common factor in them. So firstly simplify them. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now 2 by 3, 2 and 3 both are co-prime numbers. They are integers. Hence they are rational numbers. Okay? And you need to remember the condition which is must, that denominator should never be 0. It must not be 0. Okay? Otherwise it would be not defined. Now, if we talk about irrational numbers, then irrational numbers are those which are not in the form of p by q, not in the form of p by q. And p and q are integers, co-prime numbers. This is the same condition, but the first step is p by q is not there. Okay? Now, how can you simplify, or if I talk about, let's say there are 2 examples, or you can take these 3 examples. If you have to show a particular decimal expansion, whether it is rational or irrational, then you need to remember these 2 things: terminating and non-terminating decimal expansion. So basically, terminating decimal expansions are which are terminated. Let's say 1.3 is just terminate after 1 decimal place, 1.42, or even you can take the example of this decimal expansion. It is terminating at or after 9 decimal places. Then you have non-terminating, which never ends. Now they are never ending. Maybe they are repeating or reoccurring, or they are non-repeating. Just like you can see here, here is the bar on these digits. That means the terminal, this expansion can be written as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bar. That means these decimals expansion, these digits are repeating again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So non-terminating repeating just like this are also rational number. Non-terminating repeating are rational, terminating are rational, rest non-terminating, non-repeating are irrational. Just like you can see here, in this you have 1 to 0, you have 1 to 00, you have 1 to 000, you have 1 to 4 times 0. You know the rhythm that okay, next term will be 1 to 5 times 0. But this term is neither terminating nor non-repeating, non-terminating repeating. So that means this is irrational term. So here the question is, out of these real numbers, what are real numbers? We have already talked about them, that rational numbers plus irrational numbers, the set of rational irrational, that means p by q form, as well as those which are irrational, all comprise of under real numbers. So we have to find out what are real, what are among these rational and what are not. So this is how you can find out the rationality and irrationality of a decimal expansion. Hope you understand this topic. If so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.